Hello all, welcome and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. If you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always supporting us. We really do appreciate your continued support that you've been showing us in all our videos. So in today's video, I have this meter box that I bought some days ago, and it has a saw. And for this one, you can cut a 45 degrees angle and 90 degrees angle, and also vice versa while making frames for anything that you want. So today I'll be putting it into test to see how it works. So for the DIY I'm going to be testing it with, it will be a mirror which is 6 feet by 2 feet. That is, I'm going to be making that mirror. So make sure to stay tuned, stay till the end of the video so that you can see what we are going to be doing. So let's start the video. Now, before starting cutting the picture frames that I have for this DIY today, I'm going to start to screw down this meter box to this frame that I usually have, that I use to cut my small pieces of wood, so that it will not move around. It will be easier for me while cutting this picture frame, because I want to cut 45 degrees for this one, and I want a perfect job. I want neat angles. So that is what I've done. So now I'm going to be cutting these picture frames. They are black in color, as you can see on the screen. So let's cut it. And also to avoid the movement, I also did use some clamps. I used 2 clamps to clamp the picture frames. So now here I'm just showing you the size of the mirror, the frame that I'm going to cut, which is it will be 6 feet in total and by 2 feet, that is. So let me just continue. So watch the video till the end so that you will see what I'm doing. And if you like this kind of content, make sure to like our video, comment and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos. And do share with your friends and family so that they get to see these amazing ideas. And now this is what I was talking about, cutting the 45 degrees angle and bringing a neat work. As you can see, it brings a good angle, so it works. So I'll be using it because I can see it works. And after that, I did cut all the pieces. Now what is remaining for me is just joining them together, making a rectangular shape so that I can put my mirror inside. For this DIY, I did use a super glue because it works for this frame. It really attach them together very firmly. And then after using the super glue, after it dried up, I did use a staple gun to staple at the back so that the frame will be much stronger. Now here, this is how the frame looks like. This is the back part of the frame, and it has a small area that you can place your items on it, that as you can see, and that is how I'm going to be placing my mirror. It will be lying in that line, and after putting the mirror, I'll be also attaching a plywood at the back so that it will hold the mirror. So this is what I'm saying, where the mirror will lie, as you can see on the screen. Yeah, so that is basically what I did. After doing that, I just covered the back of the mirror with a plywood. And I decided to show you me delivering the items. That is how I usually deliver my items to my clients. So after delivering, I arrived at my client, everything was safe and sound, and I placed the mirror at the entryway. That is me. What was left for me is to set up, then show you the final reveal. I hope you will enjoy this one and like it.